Greetings, great people of the Federal Republic of Nigeria. Ana m ekene unu. Afa m bụ Ichie Blinks onye ngozi. Forget about this laugh. I came here to talk about my pains and grievances about this country. Ọ na-ewute m si n'ime obi m. Oh, this country is in a diaspora. Ọ na-ewute m. First, I want to ask a question. Who sent Davido to represent the youth in the office of the Inspector General of Police of the Federation? Davido gara Abuja, Jena Akoeli. I don't know who told him to represent us. Why would someone like Davido represent us? Oma ife time na se ife na kono oma. He came to Abuja with a private jet. Went to the IG's office and was talking rubbish after drinking champagne, Moet and all that. Oma ife na ako. A child that is born with a silver spoon, diamond spoon. What does he know he has to offer us? He's going there to create more impression, more money, more influence. What does he know he's to say in that place? Gini ka Davido Maoya Kowarande in the IG based on the situation on ground in Nigeria. Davido, Ijirigo bread 1 million. Have you put bread inside water and eat before? Have you used salt to drink akamu? Ijirigo kuli atopa. Davido guamu. Ijirigo your entire finger and break akino. Have you used your leg and walk from one village to another? No, tell me, Davido. Have you ever washed clothes in your life, Davido? Davido, have you gone to Ntakara school before, Davido? Wham. So why are you representing us? Have you done all this before? Have you used salt to brush teeth? Davido, you went there to the IG's office and be speaking English that I don't understand? Secondly, Davido, Ibonye Nigeria, asina eba mulomado eba okosi. Davido, you were not born in Nigeria. You were born in USA. So why are you representing us? Davido, we are using leg to go from state to state to do campaign, to do protest. Davido, you are using private jets, Davido, drinking champagne, Davido, using bodyguards, Davido. Is that the kind of person that will represent us? Okay, coupled with the fact in car we see north and be see south, ebeko si anapo and Desmond idiot. We better na house na Akoeli talking rubbish that they should cancel or they should amend the social media. I don't know what he's talking about. But let me tell you, Desmond Elliot, if you are watching my video, Omoabu Ichie Blinks na wago kwa. If you are drunk when saying all those things, go and meet your pastor to fortify you or wash away your brain, because I know that right now you don't know what you're... I was liking you before as a good actor and producer, but now I can see that your foolishness has gone beyond recognition. Omo Ichie Blinks na-ekuya owe fele men. How will you tell me that they should scrap social media? Then how do you want me to get informations? Do you think I am old like the governors and the commissioners and the ministers that will be reading newspapers? If not for social media, do you think so many of us will be alive today? Or you did not hear what is happening at Obi Igbo in Port Harcourt? How they were killing people. How soldiers were telling people to lie down. Innocent youths were slaughtered like cattle. If not for social media, do you know what would have happened till now? Desmond idiot, in my fege mekita. You are telling me that they should scrap social media. I don't blame you. I don't blame you at all. You know, sometimes when I begin to see people like you, I just say, good thing left the people, you know, left the people that is meant to go for, and it fell on you. But I don't blame you. Look at our palliatives. Desmond Elliot, why didn't you talk about the palliatives? The one found in Abuja? Or is it the one found in Lagos? The one found in Anambra? Or almost all the 36 states? Nobody, no governor, no commissioner, nobody has come out to say one thing about it. Why? That is my question. Why? Nobody has come out to say this is the reason why those palliatives have been there. You people kept it to use it and do what? To give it to your own family and friends. The palliatives got there and got spot. Now Indomie spent money producing those things for the youth, for the people, for the streets. Everything damaged. And you are telling me that this country is blessed. Why can't the governors, the so-called senators and ministers come and tell us something about the palliatives? What is he doing in that way house? They don't want to talk. But Ichie Blinks, Kwoyakita, and I saw Ichie Blinks. If I come out on social media and start saying what is happening, the way I've been talking about what is happening in Rivers State, I think Ichie Blinks have Obidogo. There's more idiots. The relevant things you are supposed to be talking about, you will not say it. I don't blame you. I blame destiny. I don't blame you. The governors, Mr. President, tell us the reason why those palliatives are not being shared to the society, to the people, and people are dying of hunger. Come out and tell us. And that is the reason why I am making this video. I want to get an answer from all of you. And stop that nonsense thinking. Because we need a president, or we need a governor or a senator from the age of 40 below. Yes, the people that can articulate well, people that can think very well. We don't want a situation power will be rotating from great-grandfathers to the grandfathers to children. No, we don't need that anymore. Are you telling me that the education that I received in school is worthless? That the brain of an old man is better than the brain of the youth, of the present youth? You are talking of corruption. Why won't the police be corrupt when you people give them peanuts as salary and one clothes, and you expect them to stand under the sun with that same one clothes? This government needs to be reformed. Everybody sitting in the position of the government, in the seat of the government, all of you are thieves, are scammers. Scammers, kunubu, ununchabu scammers. Omuane kuya ununchabu scammers. Your children are abroad. One commissioner, any of the commissioners that can produce their child that is in Nigeria, that followed in the protest, let me see, let the person raise up his hand or her hand. Your children are abroad, governors, your children are abroad. The small thing given to us, that is God. God is watching. If you pack all this money finish, you no go use them enter grave. Technology, the recent tech. I know that you people's brain cannot apprehend the capacity of this latest technology, but our brain can accept it. Leave the seat of office. Happy fele ponoche. Get out of the seat. Let the youth take over. Let the youth take over for just 2 years and see the outcome. And see Nigeria to become like Dubai. Ndori. Ndori kunobo, ndori. Challenge me if you know what I'm saying is wrong. As government officials, challenge me, challenge the world. You pack palliatives, not for yourself. I don't know why you kept it. Not for the youth, not for the people, not for the masses. You just left it there. See money, God's fault. Wicked people. God will judge you people. God will judge you people. Ndebai, if you are watching my YouTube channel, please like it, share it, do whatever thing with it. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you. And God bless you. Nah, iwe na-ewe mo, iwe na-ewe mo, iwe na-ewe mo, iwe na-ewe mo.